Kylie Jenner's Kylie Cosmetics Lip Kits buy one, get one free deal. These viral shades are selling out fast. Kylie Jenner has once again sent shockwaves through the beauty industry. And this time, it's thanks to a can't-miss deal that has makeup lovers everywhere scrambling to click Add to Cart. Kylie Cosmetics, the beauty empire she launched in 2015, is currently running a buy one, get one free sale on its iconic lip kits, and fans are not wasting a second. Beloved for their bold pigments, smooth texture and long-lasting finish, the lip kits are among the brand's best-selling and most recognizable products, and they're selling out fast under this new deal. The lip kits that changed the game. When Kylie Jenner first launched her lip kits nearly a decade ago, she changed the beauty industry overnight. Her signature plump lips and perfectly lined pout sparked a global beauty trend, and the lip kits, each containing a matte or velvet liquid lipstick and a matching lip liner, quickly became cult items. Shades like Candy K, Dolce K, and Kylie became household names, helping solidify Kylie's position as a beauty mogul and trendsetter. Fast forward to today, and the lip kits are still going strong. Only now, they're even more accessible thanks to this limited-time BOGO deal. Whether you're looking to stock up on your favorite nude tones, experiment with a bold new red, or just see what all the hype is about, the current promotion is offering beauty fans the perfect excuse to dive in. A beauty bargain you can't ignore. The mechanics of the deal are simple. Buy one lip kit and get another completely free. No promo code is required. Just add two to your cart and the discount applies automatically. Considering each kit normally retails for around $34, this effectively cuts the price in half. A rare and irresistible opportunity for fans of the brand. Shoppers can choose from a wide variety of shades across both matte and velvet finishes. And it's not just older stock. The deal includes some of the brand's most viral and up-to-date shades, including Bare, a TikTok favorite, known for its perfect pinky beige tone. Kylie, the OG shade named after Jenner herself, a soft mauve that flatters nearly every skin tone. Candy K, a universally flattering soft warm nude. Boss, a fiery red that makes a serious statement. The rush to purchase these popular shades has already begun, with social media users posting swatches, hauls, and glowing reviews as the word spreads. Several shades are already marked as low stock, prompting fans to act fast before their favorites disappear. Fans are obsessed again. Social media is buzzing with excitement over the deal. On platforms like TikTok and Instagram, beauty influencers and Kylie stans alike are sharing unboxings, swatch videos, and tutorials, reigniting enthusiasm for a product that first went viral years ago. For many, the BOGO offer is a nostalgic reminder of the lip kit craze that once had waitlists and sold out in minutes. Others are taking advantage of the sale to try out newer shades they may have been hesitant to buy at full price. With a 2-for-1 deal, the risk is lower, and the reward is a fuller lip collection. A smart move for Kylie Cosmetics. From a business standpoint, the buy one, get one free offer is a savvy strategy. The beauty space is more competitive than ever, with brands from Selena Gomez's Rare Beauty to Rihanna's Fenty Beauty dominating headlines and makeup bags alike. But Kylie Cosmetics remains a key player, and this promotion is a reminder of the brand's staying power. Kylie herself has leaned into the sale on her social media platforms, personally showcasing how she wears her favorite lip kit combos. Her loyal fanbase, as always, is quick to follow suit. The deal not only boosts short-term sales but also reinvigorates interest in Kylie Cosmetics' flagship product, a crucial move in a market that's always chasing the next big trend. Limited time only. While Kylie Cosmetics hasn't confirmed exactly how long the buy one, get one free offer will last, it's clear that it won't be around forever. Given the speed at which certain shades are selling out, it's safe to assume the promotion will only last while supplies do. Beauty enthusiasts, collectors, and Kylie fans are encouraged to act fast, because once those viral shades are gone, there's no guarantee they'll return in stock before the deal ends. Final thoughts. This isn't just another beauty sale. It's a moment for one of the most talked about makeup products of the last decade. Kylie Jenner's lip kits helped define an era of beauty, and they're still holding strong thanks to their iconic formulas and ever-expanding shade range. Whether you're a die-hard fan or a curious first-timer, this buy one, Get one free promotion is a golden opportunity to explore the lip kits that turned Kylie Jenner into a billionaire beauty mogul. Just don't wait too long, because if the current pace is any indication, the most popular shades will be sold out before you know it.